Demonstration of the working principle of the seam tracker adapting to the PLC welding machine. First of all, the equipment consists of 3 parts. First, weld tracker. Second, PLC electrical control cabinet, feed slide module. Its working principle is very simple. Weld seam tracking sensor collects weld seam data and sends it to PLC, which controls the driver through pulse signal. Then the controller drives the sliding table, and then drives the tracker for real-time deviation correction. Next, let's see how it works. First, after pressing the switch button of the control cabinet, it can be found that the weld tracker has guided the slide correctly in the middle of the weld. In the actual production process, due to the processing error of stamping equipment, the weld edge will be incomplete and the size will change. The workpiece positioning error will cause the weld deviation. After the weld tracker is installed, the real-time tracking function will guide the welding gun to the weld. Next, let's change its position through human factors. When we move the tracker to the left, we can find that it has a certain deviation now. After releasing, the tracker can guide the slide to the middle of the weld. This indicates that the device is in tracking state. Now it is a tracking process of weld. Now there is no actual effect of using tracker. It can be seen that when the workpiece rotation deviates, did not go to the middle of the weld correctly. When the weld tracking system is enabled, the tracker correctly identifies the weld and guides the welding gun to the middle of the weld. Realize accurate welding.